with Banyan Restorations, and we're making a coffee table today. A interior decorator came in with a specific idea, dimensions, and aesthetic desire she wanted this table to have. It's got a spot, it's fat, big, stout, but apparently there's a spot she has in mind for it, and we're in the middle of making it right now. My associate Taylor has made the top, and I'm making the legs. We have two of them. This is the coffee table. We have a console table that's kind of the same kind of animal, but it's tall and narrow. So they're going to match, and hopefully we can get this done pretty quick. But it's made out of poplar. We're using whatever joinery seems appropriate at the time. Well, this one's going to have a drawer in it in the middle. This is facing backwards. You're actually looking at the back of it. But after I finish the legs, putting these little pieces in right here. After I make the legs, sand these down and get them secure, and I'll work on the drawer. Then it gets the top. I'll let Taylor take it from there, sanding and finishing it while I work on the legs of the console table. Right now, I'm making the faux cheeks for the legs to make them appear to continue the entire height of the table. It was a lot easier than cutting the legs out to where these were made. It would have been hours of work for something I could have done in 20 minutes otherwise. Something this much acreage, you don't want it to sag. You want to be able to stand on it, jump around without any problems of it breaking. So just gotta add a little more support to it. The tabletop is also made out of poplar. It's basically a bunch of slabs that are glued together and using a technique. A lot of woodworkers will use dowels or biscuits, and we have a product they're called dominoes, which they look like dominoes, which glue and bind the actual boards together, so there's no if there's any warpage or any movement of the wood, it doesn't pull away from the joint and remains a solid slab. Keeps it a lot more stable, and basically turbocharges the glue to actually able to hold more than it would if it was just glue itself.